8th students, look at the page number 35 in your maths textbook. Exercise 1.4, sixth Roman letter. Find the square root by long division method. நீள் வகுத்தல் முறையில் வர்க்கமூலம் காண்க. First, 1764. To find the square root by long division method, write the number, put decimal point after the ones. There are 4 ones. Put decimal point after ones and then pair the number 2 digits by 2 digits. Pair 2 digits. The first pair is 17. In the right side, in the rough work, write the squares. 1 square, that is 1 into 1. 1. 2 square, that is equal to 2 into 2. 4. 3 square, 3 into 3, that is 9. 4 square, that is equal to 4 into 4, 16. 5 square, 5 into 5, 25. Here the first pair is the pairs of digits form 17. What square number will come? Divide the pair of digits by squares. What square number will come here? 1 square, no? 1 into 1, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, or 4 into 4, or 5 into 5. 5 square 25, it exceeds because the pair is only 17. So consider 4 square. Write 4 into 4. The same digits should be placed in both the places. 4 4s are 16. 17 minus 16, 1. Bring down the next pair, 64. Bring it down, 164. And then the digit in the left side is 4. Double that. 4 plus 4, 8. Put a placeholder. Put 2 placeholders. In both the placeholders, same digit should be written. So we may use approximation method. So you may use approximation method. Here there are 16 tens and here 8 tens. 8 tens, 16 tens. So if we put 2 at here and there, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. 164 minus 164, 0. So the square of 1764, the square root of 1000 764 is equal to 42. The square root of 1764 is equal to 42. Third question, 11,025. 11,025. Put the decimal point, place the decimal point after ones, after the unit digits, after the unit digit 5, and then from the decimal point pair the digits in twos. Two digits pair பண்ணுங்க. Here there is only one digit 1, so put 1 0 0 1 or 0 1. 0 1 is nothing but 1, and then what square number will come at here? 1 square 1. Find the difference. 1 minus 1 0, and then bring down next pair 10, and then double the digit given on the left side. 1 plus 1 2. Put a placeholder at here. Put placeholders. Put 2 placeholders. Here the number is 10, but in the left side, even if we substitute 0, even if we put 0, the value becomes 20. இங்கே 0 எழுதுனா இங்கேயும் 0 வரும். 0 into 20 0, and then next number 1 into 21 21. It exceeds, so put 0. So put 0. 0 into 20 0. So 10 minus 0 10. Bring down the next pair 25, and then double the unit digit. The unit digit is 0. 20 plus 0. ஒன்ஸில் இருக்க டிஜிட்டை ஆட் பண்ணும். 0 வந்தால் 0 ஆட் பண்ணும், 1 வந்தால் 1 ஆட் பண்ணும். 20 plus 0 20, and then put a placeholder and put 2 placeholders in both the places. In both the placeholders, the same digit should come. As the number ends with 5, there is a possibility for 5 to be placed. It may be square of 5, because 5 into 5 25. 5 5s are 25. 25. 5 zeros are 0 plus 2 2. 5 2s are 10. So 1025 minus 1025 is 0. So the square root of the given number 11,025 is equal to 105. Rome letter 7. Estimate the value of the following Square roots to the nearest whole number. 1. Square root of 440. கேள்வி என்னன்னா ஸ்கொயர் ரூட் ஆஃப் 440க்கு நியரஸ்ட்டாக வர ஸ்கொயர் எது? நியரஸ்ட் ஹோல் நம்பர் எதுன்னு கேட்குறாங்க. ஸோ ஸ்கொயர் ரூட் ஆஃப் 440, square root of 440. First 440, put decimal point after, that is next to ones, unit digits, and then from the decimal point pair the digits 2 by 2, 2 2 pair பண்ணுங்க. So 40 is a pair and 4, write 4 as not 4, and then find the square root by long division method. The first pair is 0 4, so 2 square, 2 into 2 4. Find the difference. 4 minus 4 0. Bring down the next pair 40. Double the digit in the left side. 2 plus 2 4, and then put 2 placeholders. In both the placeholders the same digit should come. Here the number is 40. So let us try the least digit 1, because the number is 40 in the right side, and the left side also 4 tens are there. So 4 10 is 40 plus. So 40 plus சொன்னா இங்கே 40 இருக்குது, இங்கே 40 plus இருக்குது. So put 1 1. The same digit should be placed in both the placeholders. So 1 into 41 41. Here the difference is 40. The difference between 40 and 41 is 1. It is excess. So 21 square is equal to 441, and here we have to check that whether 20 square is nearer to 440. What is 20 square? 20 square is 20 into 20, that is equal to 400. Which number is nearer to, which square number is nearer to 440? 441 or 400? Obviously 441 is nearer, closer to 440. So the answer is 21 square.